Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Monday, January 13th, 2025. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day and glad you're tuning in with us for your TF headlines. We didn't get that snow that I thought we were going to get over the weekend, but nevertheless, still cold out there. We'll have some cold weather safety tips again this week. Make sure you stay warm. But we start with the Healthy Neighborhoods Grant Program. It is open up again. That's right. The 2025 Healthy Neighborhoods Grant Program applications. You can send in your applications now through February 10th. That's the due date. Fitchburg's Healthy Neighborhood Grant Program funds nonprofit 501c3 organizations to support projects that serve the residents in our healthy neighborhood areas, including the priority neighborhoods as Verona Road West, Belmar Renaissance on the Park, North Fish Archie Road, Southdale Park, or Southdale, and then the Healthy Neighborhoods priority neighborhoods there are both intend to strengthen and enhance these neighborhoods using innovative approaches and long-term impacts for residents, businesses, and other physical environments on the neighborhood there, including but not limited to youth mentoring, youth education, adult education, workforce development, food security, and neighborhood and community building and engagement. If you're interested in submitting that application process, you can find that at our website now, fitchburgwi.gov. It's right there just off the homepage for the grant process. 2 wrong-way drivers are arrested for OWI coming in for the Fitchburg Police Department. Happened early this morning on January 13th at 1:45 a.m. Fitchburg police officer observed 2 vehicles traveling the wrong way on Highway 14 that were entering a beltline headed westbound on the eastbound lanes. The officers quickly responded to the situation with the assistance of Dane County Sheriff's Office, stopped both wrong-way drivers near Fish Hatchery Road. Upon further investigation, both drivers were arrested for operating while intoxicated. Preliminary breath test results showed near 0.16, which is twice the legal limit of 0.08. Fortunately, thanks to the officer's prompt action, no accidents or injuries occurred. This extremely dangerous incident. This event underscores the Fitchburg Police Department's ongoing efforts to ensure safety on all roadways by addressing impaired driving. Drunk driving remains one of the deadliest offenses in Wisconsin. If you plan to drink, please plan a safe plan to get home. Together, we can save lives. 100-year celebration at the VFW Post 1318 will be happening this weekend. The open house will be happening on Saturday, January 18th at 1 p.m. at the VFW. That's 2750 Ski Lane in Madison. We're excited, it says here, to welcome community members to come and celebrate. The event includes veterans from World War II to be present. Join us on honoring incredible journey of a couple of World War II vets as they promptly don their World War II uniform with the impressive 75 years of membership with the VFW Post 1318. Carl Kleeman is one that they'll be honoring on this special occasion. He will be surrounded by a diverse group of veterans in various conflicts, each with their own story, courage, and sacrifice. You can come celebrate that. Plus, you have food and beverage while there, and then they'll have some other community members on site. Event again kicks off at 1 p.m. at the VFW Post 1318 2740 Ski Lane in Fitchburg here. So come on down and celebrate 100 years with the VFW. So glad to have them here in Fitchburg. Tri-North Builders has a blood drive going on this week. This blood drive will be happening on Thursday, January 16th from 10:30 to 3:30 p.m. In the conference room at Tri-North Builders, 2625 Research Park Drive. You can schedule an appointment with the Red Cross. Use the sponsor code FitchburgWI. If you want to save up to 15 minutes, go online and sign up for that rapid pass. They'll get you in and out real quickly. Also, by donating blood now through the end of January, you can be automatically entered to win a chance to for you and a guest to head out to the Super Bowl in New Orleans, including travel, hotel, and a $1,000 gift card, plus pregame activities and much, much more. redcrossblood.org/Super Bowl for that. Reminder, too, that as of the wildfires out west, they are in desperate need of blood this year, and there's been plenty of winter weather that's canceled a lot of these as well, so we want to get those in there. And finally, bundle up. It is extremely cold out there if you haven't figured it out already, but a good chance to remember to limit your time outdoors when it gets really cold. Dress in layers, wear a hat, gloves, scarf, and know what to do if somebody has frostbite or hypothermia, as you can see here on the graphic. Get them out of the elements, get them warm, and call 911 if they are unresponsive. Stay safe, stay warm, and have a great day, everybody.